so today I'm going to talk about Google Ads report section. As you know, you can access data in different part of Google Ads, but there's a section called reports. In this section, we have three other sections: predefined reports, reports which is custom report, and dashboard. So let's check them out. So as you can see in the first page, if you want to see all of it, just click on view all. If I close this, you can see the list of predefined reports, and you can choose based on your needs. So I will come back to this section later. The other one is custom report, which you can start with table, line chart, or whatever you want. And the next one is the dashboard section. Know that you can download data from each section if you want to export it by CSV or anything else to analyze it in Excel or maybe Python using Python libraries. So I'll start again. I'll go to report. I'll start with how to create a dashboard first. So if you want to create a dashboard in a report section of Google Ads, first of all, there is a starter dashboard. If you click on it, it already has been prepared by Google Ads. You have different sections. You can check it out, and you have the date range here. You have the filter here. You can download it, and for example, you can filter it by ad group or maybe type of campaign or anything else. You can check out the date range that you want and change it here. And if you want to download the report, you can easily just click on download and it will download here. All right, so I'm not gonna check that. So this is the star dashboard, and you can do a couple of things here. Has some limits since it was created by Google Ads. If your needs are much more than that, I will show you how to create a custom dashboard. So this is the star dashboard. If I come back and click on this plus sign, you can see that there is a bunch of boxes here that you can add section to that. So if I click on it, for example, I want to add report, and based on the things are shown here, you can see different things, and you can click, for example, I don't know, I want to check campaign. I will add the campaign here. The campaign are shown here, and maybe here I want to scoreboard. Let's call it test. Let's check out conversion, all conversion, and just that. All right, so all conversion here, and maybe another one here, another report, a day of the week. All right, so if I want to save that, test one, you will have this dashboard here, which is not really cute, but it's just to show you how you can create a dashboard. So if I go back, you have the dashboard here. That was the starter, and this is your, or actually my ugly dashboard. But the point is just to show you how you can create a dashboard. If you want to download it, you can download, you can change the time range, and you can filter it. So that was the dashboard section. It's actually have very more KPIs or metrics you can add, but I'm not really going into that because I want to focus on reports. And know that you can create much more interesting dashboard from Google Ads by using Google Data Studio, which I will create the video later, and you can create very engaging and with many more options in Data Studio for your Google Ads. So I'm not really recommending to create dashboard here, but if you are insisting to create dashboard, this is how you can do it. So next I'm gonna talk about predefined report. Predefined reports are easier to look. You don't have to create anything. Everything is there. But for those who are actually knowing what they're looking for is the best choice. But if you don't know and maybe you want to, I don't know, explore more, you can create custom reports, which I'll explain later. So in predefined section, if you click on view all, and if I close it, you can choose based on your need. For example, I don't know, if you want to check distances, or maybe you want to have conversion category or conversion source. Let's choose this one here. Yeah, so this is as simple as that. The website is the source for those advertisers who only have websites. Some of them have apps and many more options. But let's check out another one, maybe campaign details. All right, so let's talk about the structure here. First of all, you have the time range here. You can check out the time and change it here. You have the filter. You can filter by the thing that you want to filter. You have the download section. You can export it by CSV, Excel, PDF, PNG, or Google Sheets. Next, we have the table that are already created here. We have the rows here. We can actually ascend and descend, filter or delete. It goes the same for columns. These are the rows, these are the columns. If it is annoying, I mean this section, you can simply just click on that and it will close away, and you can expand it back here. In this section, we have all the KPIs and metrics that are in Google Ads available. So you can just click it and check out one by one, which there are a lot of KPI here, or you can search it. For example, if I want to search simply clicks, so click already is here, but click share and plus some tip. There are some of these KPIs that maybe you don't have any idea what is it. If you just put your pointer on that, it will explain what is it. So click share, for example, is the click you have received on the search network divided by the estimated maximum number of clicks that you could have received. So for example, it's very important KPI. So if I click on it, it will be here. So not really good for these ads group here, all of them less than 10%. All right, so in this section, in the first one, you can check out or add your for example, anything related to the row, for example, search keyword or label keyword or anything else. The rest of these metrics is actually based on what you need. So if you are using predefined reports, you might not need that, because for example, for the campaign details, I already have anything I really need here. We have the conversion rate, cost per conversion, clicks, conversion, and anything else. So you can check out the campaign details here. You have the campaign here, campaign state, type of that, and you can check out every section. So if I want to see, for example, which one has the more impression, I will check out. So this one has more than 20,000 impression, the bedroom campaign. And yep, so let's check out another one, and let's go back. I want to leave. Maybe I want to check out, I don't know, maybe by ad. All right, so you have the ad here, you have the campaign, ad group, campaign type, final URL, and anything else. And it's obvious that even if you are using the actually predefined reports, you still can add or remove metrics here. So that's on to you. But the thing is, when you are using predefined, it already have added the things that you already needed. So in most cases, you won't be needed to add more metrics. All right, so this is how you can use your actually predefined reports. In custom report, first of all, you have to choose a type, line chart, table, I don't know. So I'll choose table. So everything else is up to you here, and you have to add it to your chart. So I'm gonna start with maybe search keyword. So your search keyword are shown here. One thing I forgot to tell you, that there are number of rows here. You can change it to whatever you want, but the maximum is 500. If it's more than 500, it will go to next page, which is the case here. And you can simply go to next page by using this arrow here. Yeah, this is how it works. All right, so I forgot to mention that. All right, so I have the search keywords here. Next, I want to go to performance and maybe check out the impression. Yep, all of them 0. Now CTR and clicks. Okay, so let's check out most impression keywords. Yep, we have that. We have the clicks, CTR, and we can check out whatever you want. Know that if you are using report tool in Google Ads, before that you have to be familiar with KPIs and metrics. If you don't have any idea, I will put a link in the description. I have an article on that in my website. So those KPIs are in the article that I will leave the link in the description. So that's it. So in Google Ads are mentioned, and from the things that are already experienced. But if you want to get more of it, the next thing that you want to know, you have to be familiar with data analysis, how to use KPIs, and more important others, that what you're looking for. I mean, if you are looking for example, what our ads are costing less, but for example, bringing more conversion, I'll suggest to you that first of all, download the data and use Python libraries like pandas, couple of ifs to show you which are those keywords. So if you can use Excel too, but you will have more options in Python. So that's all, guys. And if you have any questions, anything that you want to ask me, please comment it below. And if you like the video, please like it, subscribe in my YouTube channel, and get the notification on. Thank you for your attention.